In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Ionos email. Whether you're setting up an email for the first time or looking to manage an existing one, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get your email up and running in about 5 minutes. First things first, let's navigate to the Ionos website. Once there, you'll spot the sign in option prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you closer to where you need to be. Once you're at the sign in page, you're going to look for the customer account section. This is where the magic begins, allowing you to access the controls necessary for setting up your email. After clicking on Customer Account, it's time to sign in properly. Here you'll input your email address. This is the key to unlocking your Ionos account's full potential. Following entering your email, click on Next to proceed. You're doing great so far. Up next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure it's the correct one associated with your Ionos account. Once you've got that typed in, hit Next once more, and voila! You're now inside your account, ready to tackle the email setup. Once logged in, your next destination is the email section. This is where all things email reside within Ionos. Look for your subscription or plan that includes email hosting. This is crucial as it dictates what email services you're entitled to. After locating your subscription, the next step is to initiate the actual email setup. You'll find an option to create email address. Clicking here is a big step towards having your new email address up and running. However, it's important to note if you're aiming to set up multiple email addresses, you might need to buy another subscription. Each plan has its limits on the number of email addresses you can set up, so keep this in mind as you expand your email needs. Assuming you're okay with your current subscription, or have decided to purchase a new one for additional emails, proceed to choose your subscription for the new email. This process is straightforward. Click on the subscription that fits your needs. Following this, there's a crucial step you must not overlook: agreeing to the general terms and conditions, as well as acknowledging the instructions on the right of revocation. A tick in the box here means you're well acquainted with the terms of your subscription, an essential part of using Ionos services. Finally, with your understanding of terms confirmed, it's time to hit Order Now. This isn't just about confirming your choices, it's the step that solidifies your commitment to setting up your new Ionos email. The last piece of the puzzle is to process the payment for any new subscriptions or services you've selected. Once that's sorted, you're actually all set to start using your Ionos email, and there you have it. A relatively simple process from start to finish that gets you from having no email setup to being ready to communicate with the world, or perhaps just your co-workers and friends. Remember, the exact process may vary slightly depending on any changes to the Ionos website or service offerings, but the essence of the steps we've covered today should steer you in the right direction. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough. I hope it's helped demystify the process of setting up an email with Ionos. Stay tuned for more useful guides and tips to make the most out of your online services. Until next time.